Your love is unique, and at Bell Brunt, we believe your ring should be too. Our highly qualified team make customizing your dream ring easy. From the moment you walk through our door, we work with you to create a ring that is not only one of a kind, but captures your story and legacy. Your journey begins with a consultation with your personalized jewellery designer. We show you a variety of styles and settings to ignite your imagination. Listen to your ideas and then bring them to life in a design. Next, our gemologist helps you to select your perfect stone. With us, your options are endless, and if you desire a specific diamond, we procure it from our worldwide network of ethical suppliers. We guide you on everything, from the 4 C's, cut, colour, clarity and carat, to the metal you select. Then, with your taste and style at the forefront of our minds and your story in our hearts, we sketch your ring to scale, transforming your vision onto a page for you to see. When you're ready to say yes to the ring of your dreams, our master jewelers get to work. We select freshly forged bars of gold or platinum and roll it in our traditional rolling apparatus. We heat the metal and shape it using traditional tools. From rolling, hammering and compressing your premium metal to filing, cutting and soldering your unique ring. Every step is done by hand. We won't settle for anything less than perfect. So once your ring is made, it undergoes stringent quality control, where it's inspected under 10 times magnification. Once it passes the test, it's time to collect your bespoke ring. And we know it's going to be love at first sight. But we want you to know that our journey doesn't end here, as even after you collect your precious piece, we offer you complimentary clean and polish and care check services for a lifetime. Because a Bell Brunt ring is handmade to last forever. That is our vow to you.